If you're finding that your screen is flickering on and off or flickers black and then comes back to the picture, and you don't know why it's happening, here's a couple things you can try to see if we can find out what the issue is. First thing we're going to try to do is update drivers. So if you go to your start button here, if you right click and then go to device manager, you could also just go to the search bar and search device manager. We want to go to your display adapter. I happen to have a RTX 3060. You want to select it, right click, and then hit update driver. If you're missing drivers, Windows will automatically find the drivers for you, and it should help the issue if that is the problem. If that doesn't work, you want to then try to get the application that goes along with your graphics card. If you have an AMD or NVIDIA like I have, or even an Intel card, they all come with their own apps. So I'm going to search here. I'll do NVIDIA. I'll select it, and then I'll go to drivers. Now, if I had a driver ready to install, it would tell me that I would need to install this driver, but mine is up to date. I can also reinstall just in case that I have an issue or something comes up. I can also just reinstall the drivers. But if you do have a driver that needs to be installed and your screen flickering on and off, typically this would help. If all else fails, I would say uninstall the current drivers and reinstall them. So let's go to control panel. We'll uninstall a program, and then you want to find your drivers. Mine's NVIDIA, so NVIDIA graphics driver. You would go here, hit uninstall, and then it'll give you preparations to uninstall, and you can choose uninstall or not. Typically, you would do this if all else fails. You would uninstall and then just reinstall the software or the drivers back. And those are just a couple things you could do to try to figure out why your screen's flickering on and off. I hope this helps.